What if I told you that a single $4 box hidden on the absolute bottom shelf of your local supermarket holds the power to completely replace an entire cabinet of expensive, chemical heavy household cleaners? For over 140 years, the self sufficient Amish community has quietly relied on this exact mineral to run their entire household, saving hundreds of dollars each year, while the multi-billion-dollar cleaning industry desperately prays you never find out about it. From structural preservation to secret household hacks, let's count down 15 incredible, time tested uses of this forgotten powerhouse. Stick around until the very end, because the final 16th application is a heavily restricted secret that the authorities actually tried to ban. 1. The hidden budget champion and laundry upgrade. Did you know that a humble, budget friendly box of borax sitting on the bottom supermarket shelf can single handedly replace an entire cabinet of pricey, chemical heavy cleaning formulas? The Amish have relied on this natural mineral for generations to handle multiple household challenges, while easily saving over $320 annually. If you want to reclaim your household budget and discover more traditional self sufficiency secrets, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel right now. For your laundry, adding just half a cup directly into the washing drum works wonders. It neutralizes hard water minerals, balances pH levels to strip away stubborn grease, eradicates musty fabric odors, and leaves your whites brilliantly bright without toxic bleaching agents. 2. Revitalizing stained ceramics and glassware. Daily coffee rituals and tea brewing eventually leave behind unsightly dark discoloration on your favorite ceramic mugs and delicate teacups. Instead of aggressively scrubbing away and risking permanent damage to the expensive finish, you can easily use borax as a stress-free restorative solution. Simply drop a single teaspoon of this mineral power into the stain container, fill it to the brim with hot water, and let it sit patiently for about 20 minutes. At the molecular level, its mild abrasive properties safely break down tough organic tannins. When you rinse the cup out, you will find spotless, sparkling ceramic that looks brand new without a single scratch on the protective glaze. 3. Maximizing automatic dishwasher performance. Many homeowners notice that modern automatic dishwashing detergents do not perform as effectively as they used to years ago. This drop in cleaning power occurred around 2010 when environmental regulations banned phosphates, leaving dishes looking cloudy and covered in white film. Fortunately, you can easily restore that lost efficiency by boosting your machine with 2 tablespoons of borax, placed right at the bottom before initiating the regular wash cycle. This natural additive acts as a highly effective water softener, preventing hard minerals from bonding to your glassware. Your plates, bowls, and wine glasses will emerge completely crystal clear, spotless, and free from any residual film. 4. Overnight eco-friendly toilet bowl treatment. Maintaining a clean bathroom usually requires breathing in harsh chemical fumes from expensive blue pucks or aggressive bleach formulas. You can break this toxic cycle by sprinkling a quarter cup of borax around the inside of your toilet bowl right before you go to bed. Allowing the mineral to sit undisturbed overnight gives it ample time to dissolve tough ring stains caused by hard water mineral buildup. It simultaneously targets odor-causing bacteria hiding in the water trap without releasing dangerous gases. The following morning, a quick brush and a single flush will reveal a completely deodorized, sanitized, and gleaming toilet for just pennies. 5. Preventative kitchen drain maintenance. Calling a professional plumber to clear out a severely clogged kitchen pipe can easily drain hundreds of dollars from your wallet. Most of these household blockages are caused by a slow accumulation of cooking fats, oils, and grease inside the drainage system. To stay ahead of this annoying issue, establish a simple weekly habit of pouring half a cup of borax directly down your sink drain. Immediately follow the powder with a generous amount of boiling water to flush everything through the plumbing pipes. This routine effectively breaks down grease deposits, deodorizes the kitchen sink, and ensures that wastewater flows smoothly without any risk of backups. 6. Safe and budget-friendly pest eradication. Chemical insect baits are often incredibly expensive and introduce unwanted toxins into a home where children and pets live. For a safer, cheaper alternative that delivers professional-grade results, create an organic pest trap by blending equal parts borax and sweet powdered sugar. Lightly dust this mixture along your kitchen baseboards, under major appliances, or around cracks where ants and roaches travel. The sugar acts as an irresistible bait, drawing the insects to consume the powdery blend. Once ingested, the borax acts as a severe dehydrating agent from within, causing the entire pest colony to collapse within 2 weeks at a fraction of commercial costs. 7. Deep sanitization for fabric mattresses. Most people rarely think about the microscopic dust mites, sweat moisture, and dead skin cells accumulating inside their mattress over time. Commercial mattress sprays are packed with synthetic fragrances and harsh chemicals that you probably do not want to breathe in all night long. Instead, refresh your sleeping surface naturally by lightly dusting borax across the bare fabric. Use a stiff bristled brush to gently work the powder into the fibers, letting it sit for roughly 1 hour. The mineral neutralizes deep-seated odors, absorbs hidden ambient moisture, and eradicates dust mite populations. Vacuuming the mattress thoroughly afterward guarantees a clean, fresh, and deeply sanitized bed. 8. Restoring rusted iron and metalware. Throwing away rusted cast iron skillets or antique metal tools is a wasteful habit when you can easily renew them with pantry staples. By mixing borax with fresh lemon juice, you can create a thick, highly active rust-removing paste. Apply this homemade mixture generously over the corroded metal surfaces and let it sit for about 15 minutes to break down the oxidation. The natural acidity of the lemon juice works in perfect harmony with the mineral properties of the powder. After a short wait, take a firm scrubbing pad to remove the loosened rust, reveal the pristine metal underneath, and breathe new life into valuable family heirlooms. 9. Bleach-free bathroom grout whitening. The porous cement grout lines running between your bathroom floor and shower tiles easily trap moisture, leading to dark, stubborn discoloration. Standard commercial tile cleaners rely heavily on toxic bleach that stings your eyes and damages indoor air quality. For a much gentler yet incredibly effective alternative, combine borax and lemon juice into a uniform, workable paste. Spread this mixture directly onto the stained grout lines and scrub the area firmly using an old toothbrush. The alkaline mineral lifting action lifts deeply embedded grime and mildew stains effortlessly. Renewing the surface with clean water will quickly restore your bathroom tile grout to its original bright white color. 10. Long-term timber preservation against termites. Protecting your home's wooden foundations from devastating insect damage and structural decay usually requires incredibly expensive professional pest treatments. However, official research from the United States Department of Agriculture confirms that a simple borax treatment offers decades of reliable defense. To protect your property, dissolve 1 pound of borax into a gallon of hot water, adding a cup of glycerin to maximize deep wood penetration. Generously brush or spray this solution onto exposed wooden sills, floor joists, crawl spaces, or attic timbers. The mineral absorbs permanently into the wood fibers, making them entirely uninhabitable to hungry termites and destructive fungi for up to 30 years. 11. Eradicating basement and wall mold. Damp, poorly ventilated areas like basements, crawl spaces, and concrete foundations are highly susceptible to toxic black mold outbreaks. Instead of spraying harsh chemical solutions that only offer temporary relief, you can permanently alter the environment using a borax spray. Dissolve the mineral powder in hot water and apply it directly onto cinder blocks, concrete walls, or subflooring. Because borax significantly raises the surface pH to a highly alkaline level, it creates an environment where fungal spores cannot colonize. This simple, inexpensive treatment keeps damp walls completely free of mold stains and musty odors year after year. 12. Strategic fire retardation for homes. Traditional builders have long understood that treating raw cellulose materials with borax provides an exceptional layer of fire safety. When treated wood or insulation is exposed to extreme heat during a house fire, the mineral compound prevents the material from bursting into open flames. Instead, the wood slowly chars, creating a protective barrier that significantly delays the spread of fire throughout the building structure. Homeowners can easily implement this passive safety feature by using a standard garden sprayer, to apply a concentrated borax solution across attic decking and exposed wall cavities, buying precious, life-saving minutes during an unexpected emergency. 13. Mildew-proofing latex wall paints. When painting high-moisture environments like backyard sheds, garages, or dark basement interiors, mold and mildew frequently ruin the finish over time. You can easily fortify your paint by thoroughly mixing half a cup of borax into a gallon of standard latex paint before application. The mineral seamlessly integrates into the liquid without altering its original color, texture, or drying characteristics. Once dry, the borax remains active within the paint film, preventing fungus growth and keeping insects from nesting on the walls. This simple trick ensures your paint job stays pristine and structurally sound for a much longer period. 14. Non-toxic driveway weed management. Unwanted weeds and invasive grasses constantly push through the cracks of concrete driveways, gravel paths, and brick patios. Commercial chemical herbicides pose severe environmental risks and can contaminate local groundwater supplies. A safer alternative is dissolving a single tablespoon of borax into a quart of warm water and spraying it directly onto the leaves of unwanted plants. The concentrated solution quickly disrupts the plant system, causing it to wither and die within a week. Just remember to avoid spraying this mixture onto your active garden beds or lawns, as it temporarily sterilizes the soil and prevents future plant growth. 15. The final secrets, legal history, and safety warning. Finally, this versatile mineral preserves fine leather goods by wiping them down with a diluted solution to kill mold spores before conditioning. Beyond these 15 cleaning uses, traditional communities like the Amish historically consumed microscopic amounts of borax in their daily drinks as a source of boron to aid bone metabolism and relieve arthritic joint pain. However, a 1988 Federal Trade Commission ruling prohibited companies from advertising borax for medicinal or internal applications, moving it strictly to the laundry aisle. Please remember that I am not a medical professional. You must never ingest borax without consulting a qualified doctor who understands your specific health profile and organ functions. Finally, we need to explore the 16th use. The traditional Amish custom is to consume a small amount of borax dissolved in coffee or morning drinks. They use it as an endogenous source of boron to support bone metabolism, reduce joint swelling and pain, and combat arthritis symptoms. However, a strict 1988 ruling by the Federal Trade Commission prohibited manufacturers from advertising any endogenous or medicinal benefits of this mineral, forcing it to be relegated to the last shelf in laundry. Please remember that I am absolutely not a medical expert. You should absolutely not use this substance without consulting a qualified doctor who understands your personal medical history and kidney health. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for the next video. Goodbye and see you again.